I'm Sarah Whitmire, Director of Education at Lake Conestee Nature Preserve, and this is...
I'm Taylor Phillips. I'm the Conservation Manager here. So Lake Conestee Nature Preserve is a 406-acre wildlife sanctuary. And so this land is set aside just for wildlife. No one can build any houses or buildings or roads here. There's no hunting or fishing or gathering allowed here because this land is set aside just for wildlife. And we do multiple different things to help promote habitats that would invite lots of wildlife to come live in.